Dr. Dan here. Today I want to discuss that hump that everyone talks about and doesn't want and wants to know how to get rid of it. Well, I'm going to explain to you why you get it and how to get rid of it. And it's not coming from your grandma, it's not coming from your mom, it's coming from muscle imbalance, it's coming from subluxations, which are segmental dysfunction in the spine, and it's coming from poor posture, all right? And I'm going to show you how you correct this. So, here, first of all, here's a side view of your spine, all right? When you're standing there, your ears should be over your shoulder. All right. Nowadays we're on computers, we're texting, we're looking down at our phones all day long. So this curve here should have a nice smooth forward curve here. What happens when we lose that curve or we sleep on our backs with a big pillow? Our spine goes forward. And the more it goes forward, the more those spinuses right there flare out. So these bones right here that should be back are now flaring out. And that's what's causing that hump up there. And your head's leaning forward, your ears over your shoulder, you have tightness and tension in the neck, you have headaches, you have tightness in the shoulders and the upper back, all right? So what you need to do is, first of all, you gotta get adjusted, you gotta get those segments moving again. If these joints are leaning forward, they're not moving properly. We need to stretch the muscles here because these are too tight. We need to strengthen the muscles here. That's gonna bring the head back, all right? Once we get those joints moving, once you get adjusted, eliminate those subluxations, then we could give you traction, which is called cervical traction. I give the units for people to take home and do at home. You're not gonna do it in my office here. Bring it home, watch TV, you lay on your back and it forces that curve back into your neck, brings those bones closer together, gets rid of that ugly little hump there, all right? So that's why you have the hump. If you wanna get rid of the hump, give us a call and we'll get rid of your hump.